are related to Compact XL. So you could go ahead and ask your questions to... Could you be a little louder? Can we increase the volume of the mic, please?
Hello. Yes, Geeta here from Canada. How can you have expertise in biology and automation together? How did you manage to do it?
If the purpose is to solve the problem for the customer, I think we should not just stick to biology aspect of it. This kind of high-end solution for the country, and we will continue to do so. We also have other plans for the customers, and of course we'll have different models to work to make sure that it becomes affordable and easily to be usable for the customer. Yeah.
In terms of COVID test, how much time can be saved with this new machine, and test and the fees of the test also?
Private labs that can test, that's been clarified by the government to be capped, I think, at about 2,500 rupees or whatever. And we'll be selling the test at about 1,000 or something?
Less than that.
Less than 1,000 rupees for the test kits that we make, that My Labs makes. That'll be less than 1,000 rupees given to the private labs, and then the private labs charge, I think, about between 2,000 to 2,500 rupees to the customer.
Okay, and sir, what about...
Because today, the backlog is in cases in Bombay and Pune also, it takes two days to get the result. This will now give it to you in a few hours. So we'll save at least a day, maybe a day and a half, because a lot of the private labs can't do the test, so there's a waiting list. So since that waiting list will go away, the result can come so much faster. That will help companies and corporates also who want to test. Where departments have cases or the whole company has got a lot of cases. There are a lot of large manufacturing companies that have got cases. They can't bring their people back to work. Their employees are scared because you can't test. But once we can allow and encourage the government to allow free testing in terms of not free in price, but in terms of freedom to be able to test even asymptomatic people. Today now that is possible with machines like this. These guys are a bunch of very smart, innovative, young, ambitious scientists and entrepreneurs. And I've been investing in a lot of different entrepreneurs and companies. We've invested in Wellness Forever. It's a pharmacy chain, for example. Again, promoter-led entrepreneurship is what I like to invest in and encourage and help, because I believe that there are many such capable people in India who can perform, but they need funding and a supportive strategic partner who can offer that funding. So it's not just finance that we're offering. We're also, look, HPV vaccines, HIV disease, you've got so many other diseases, dengue, etc. We make vaccines for it, and it was such a natural fit that we want to be able to test and detect so that we know where to vaccinate, where not to vaccinate, how to vaccinate also. So it's a very good strategic fit also. Of course, they are the experts and they'll grow the business as a business. But as a strategic fit between us and what they do makes a lot of sense. So that's why we did it. And to the tune of how much we have invested, it's more than 100 crores at the moment. And we may go up to 50%, but at the moment it's less than 50% stake that we have. That's all I can disclose. And, later on we'll see what happens.
In my opening remarks that I'll be better placed after hearing the proceeds, which were very interesting. And my takeaway is, first of all, it's very heartening to know that the young entrepreneurs of India are doing so well, and this is a classic example of My Labs. I'm sure they've got a tremendous scope to improve various technologies, including this new machine, which is unique. They claim it's first in the world. I hope it is, but even if it's one of the first innovations for this testing. It's a great step forward, and I think all the labs, hospitals and other institutions should endorse this and use this facility to the best advantage of testing very rapidly. The important thing is, as Dr. Tony Fauci in the National Institute of Health, US said, testing is the real answer to solving the COVID-19 problem. And we are still far away from doing anything like that. None of the laboratories got enough reach. Take even Serum Institute, or now take a company like Bajaj, facing a huge problem in identifying, I don't know, maybe 20,000 of all their employees who are not tested and are coming and contaminating the rest of their colleagues. So unless all the big companies are able to test their staff, how are they going to identify whether your neighbor is going to give you a disease or not? I mean, this is a terrible situation compared to other countries. So this innovation to test very fast with this machine is going to be a great asset, and I wish all these young entrepreneurs all the best in their future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and I would request Mr. Sujit Jain to please.
Testing kits and labs available in India. We have enough capacity in terms of manufacturing kits, because that's about 2 million a week?
Yes.
2 million. But there isn't that much demand in India, so we hope that the government will allow us to export our kits also, keeping in mind and a buffer stock always for India as a reserve, so that in case there are more outbreaks and we need to rush and have more testing kits in India, we have that. So with that in mind, we are hoping to export also, but still waiting for the government to give us their blessings on that.
Treatment solution, that is maybe vaccine or medicine. So what is the development on the vaccine part, because the whole globe is probably waiting for that?
No, I think there's enough in the media already for knowing what all different vaccine candidates we're developing, and by the end of this year we're hoping to have a vaccine. So I think we'll discuss it once the phase 3 trials for these products come about. Recently there was a news about another vaccine candidate which was being rushed, and we don't want to rush anything. We want to emphasize on safety and efficacy, and once we're confident of a safe and good vaccine for India and the world, we'll certainly announce that when we are licensed by the drug controller, but that is still at least 6 months away from now. So let's go to that, and we'll invite all of you to discuss that in detail when that comes. But in the meanwhile, till the vaccine comes, testing is the key, and that's another reason why we invested in this company, is that if you can test, isolate, segregate, that's how we can manage the situation till a good cure or a vaccine comes about. So this is a stepping stone for us all to move forward and deal with this disease. This is a great tool and ability for us, for mankind, and we must use it to the fullest, otherwise it's of no use.
रेगुलर या पीसीआर टेस्टिंग ये आईसीएमआर या डब्ल्यूएचओ बोलता है कि बहुत ज़रूरी है कोविड का निदान जानने के लिए। उसी तरह ऐसे काफ़ी सारी अलग बीमारियां भी है, जैसे एचआईवी लीजिए, डेंगू लीजिए, चिकनगुनिया या कैंसर, जिसमें बहुत जल्दी और बहुत एक्यूरेट डिटेक्शन बहुत ज़रूरी होता है अगर किसी व्यक्ति को राइट टाइम पे राइट ट्रीटमेंट देना है। तो अगर आप कोविड में भी देखिए तो भले ही हमारे पास इनफ टेस्टिंग किट्स अवेलेबल है, पर वो टेस्टिंग करने के लिए इनफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी चाहिए होता है, इनफ मैन पावर जो ट्रेंड है, स्किल्ड है, इसका सबका ज़रूरत होता है। और जब तक ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हम सॉल्व नहीं करें, इनफ टेस्टिंग हर जगह कोने कोने में पहुंचाना ये बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा। हमने जो आज मशीन लॉन्च किया है वो ये सारे प्रॉब्लम एक सिंगल बॉक्स में या एक सिंगल बेंच डेस्कटॉप पे सॉल्व कर देगा। जो आपका पूरा सैंपल हैंडलिंग है या सैंपल का जो प्रोसेसिंग है वो विदाउट एनी रूम रिक्वायरमेंट, विदाउट एनी एक्सपर्ट रिक्वायरमेंट, ये सारा आपको करके प्रोसेस करके आपको सैंपल दे देगा, जो आपका काफ़ी टाइम बचाएगा, एक्सपर्टीज रिक्वायरमेंट कम होगा, लैंड रिक्वायरमेंट कम होगा। इनफैक्ट ये मोबाइल वैन पे भी जाके जगह जगह जाके भी टेस्टिंग कर सकता है।
कितना टाइम लगेगा सर, कितना टाइम से, क्योंकि अभी हम कोविड के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो कोविड का टेस्ट सबसे ज़्यादा फिलहाल इम्पोर्टेंट बन चुका है, तो कितना इफेक्टिव ये रहेगा कोविड के टेस्टिंग में, कितना टाइम बच पाएगा, कितने जल्दी रिजल्ट आ पाएंगे?
एक छोटा उदाहरण दे तो पूना में रूबी हॉस्पिटल है जो आज दिन में सिर्फ 100 सैंपल हैंडल कर पा रहे हैं, ये और 4-5 लोग उसमें इन्वॉल्व है। ये मशीन लगाने के बाद वो दिन में 400 सैंपल प्रोसेस कर पाए, सो 4 गुना स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी टेस्टिंग की इस मशीन की वजह से।
4 गुना स्पीड, 4 गुना कम लोग और 4 गुना कम जगह।
और दूसरा एक इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट इसमें ये है कि हेल्थ वर्कर जो होते हैं जो टेस्टिंग करते हैं वो हमेशा एक्सपोज रहते हैं। काफ़ी सारे डॉक्टर्स, काफ़ी सारे हेल्थ वर्कर इन्फेक्ट हो रहे हैं इस चीज़ से। तो जितना हम ऑटोमेशन करेंगे, जितना क्लोज एनवायरनमेंट में काम करेंगे, उतना ये इन्फेक्शन कम होते जाएगा हेल्थ वर्कर, और दे आर आउट ऑफ द डेंजर। तो ये सारी चीज़ें ये ऑटोमेशन करने में,
जैसे मोबाइल लैब्स भी जो बन रहे हैं, मोबाइल लैब्स बनाने का खर्च और समय, क्योंकि उसमें कंपार्टमेंट्स बनाने, सब इक्विपमेंट्स रखने और उतने मैन पावर रखना है, वो भी कम हो जाएगा। और मोबाइल वैन भी आज की तारीख से कम आधे से कम से दाम में आज
कम हो जाएगा, छोटे मोबाइल यूज कर पाएंगे।
एनी मोर क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एनीवन?